Hi, today we are going to make Texas chicken biscuit. So for the dressing you need to use a room temperature butter or else your butter will be hard to be mixed with honey. For the dry mixture you need to make sure all the ingredients you use are chilled, because when it's chilled it's easier for the mixture to be crumble sandy-like texture. For the wet mixture you can use buttermilk or fresh milk and yogurt. Why I use yogurt? Because it's already acidic and it can activate the baking soda. Make sure you pour the wet mixture half by half because you want to ensure the dough is well combined. The next step you can do is scoop out all the cold dough or the chilled dough from the bowl and transfer it onto the tray. You can use ice cream scooper to scoop out the dough, or you can use a spoon instead and make a round shape dough. Okay, preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius and bake it the mixture for 12 to 15 minutes. So this is the dough we just inserted into the oven, and this is the almost cooked biscuit. So after you take out the cooked and brown biscuits, you need to dress the biscuits with a honey butter dressing that we made earlier. Make sure that you use a room temperature dressing because it's easier to apply. And one thing is important is you need to dress the biscuits right away after you take out the biscuit from the oven, because the warmness of the biscuit will melt the dressing and absorb the dressing and make it taste crispy and shiny. After you have done coating the biscuits with the dressing, honey butter dressing, you can plate it up. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.